Today I'm going to talk on nature. Today I'll be talking on nature. Nature. N-A-T-U-R-E. Nature. Now I'm going to sing a song on nature. Before we begin, I will sing a song on nature. Now just listen to the song. What can you see? What can you see? I can see the trees, I can see the stars, I can see the moon, I can see the sun, and the grass, and the grass. Do you know? This is grass. Grass. Okay, so I'll sing one more time. What can you see? What can you see? I can see the trees, I can see the sun, I can see the moon, I can see the moon, and the grass, and the grass. Okay, now I will sing for the last time. Just listen to the song. What can you see? What can you see? I can see the trees. Okay, these are the trees everywhere. I can see the trees, I can see the sun, I can see the moon, I can see the tree and the grass. This is grass in English. So I'm going to talk on nature. Nature. Nature is everything you see on the earth. The physical things that we can see is nature. Okay? The physical things that we can see, the physical earth, the things that you can see. Example, here you can see the trees, you can see the flowers, you can see the stars, the sun, the moon, the grass. It's nature. Okay? There are insects. They're animals. It's nature. Now let's start number one. Okay. Number one is the sun. Okay. S-U-N. Number one is the sun. When you look up in the sky, you can see the sun. This is number one. Number two, the stars. The stars. Okay? The stars. When you look up in the sky, you can see so many stars. So this is the stars. Flowers. Flower. Flowers are very beautiful. This is flowers. Trees. Trees. Tree. You have so many trees around, okay? When it's very hot, the trees help for the breeze. So this is tree. Mountain. 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 This is the this is the rock. Rock, not mountain. Rock. This is the rock. It's like a big stone. Like a big stone. And it's very, very hard. Very, very hard. Like a very big stone. It's rock. Rock. Island. Island. This is the island. This is the island. Okay, so this is the mountain. Mountain. This is the mountain. Mountain. It's like very big and it goes like this. It's the mountain. The moon. Moon. This is the moon. In the evening, sometimes you can see the moon in the sky, okay? When you look up in the sky, You can see the moon, it shines very, very bright. So this is the moon. Okay, next is the rainbow. Rainbow. This is the rainbow. It comes like this. Okay, like this in the sky. And it has 7 beautiful colors. 7 beautiful colors. The rainbow. It's very, very beautiful. So the rainbow is nature, okay? It is nature. It's so beautiful. Grass. Grass. This is grass. Grass is nature. Waterfall. Waterfall. This is the waterfall. Can you see? This is the waterfall. Forest. 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 We have so many trees in the forest. This is forest. Beach. When it's so hot, like now it's very hot in Thailand. It's so hot. So you can go to the beach and relax. You can go to the beach and relax. You can swim. You can play. You can play the ball. It's a very beautiful environment in the beach. So this is the beach. This is the sun. Sun. S-U-N. This is the sun. Number 2, the stars. Number 3, flowers. Flowers. Tree. Tree. Rock. Rock. Not lock. Rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Island. This is the island. Mountain. Mountain. This is the mountain. The moon. The moon. This is the moon. Rainbow. Rainbow. It comes up in the sky. Rainbow, and it has 7 beautiful colors. The rainbow is very beautiful, so bright and beautiful. Grass. Grass. This is the grass. Waterfall. Waterfall. This is waterfall. It's also very, very beautiful. And now we have the tree. No, this is the forest. This is the forest. You can see so many trees in the forest, and it is very green. There are so many trees in the forest. And this is the beach. This is the beach. Like when it's so hot, like now it's very, very hot in Thailand. So you can go to the beach and relax. You can go and swim and relax and play at the beach and the sun. So this is nature. Nature is very beautiful. Okay? Nature is very beautiful. You see the beautiful trees, beautiful flowers, insects, animals, volcano, the mountains, the rock, so many things. And you have the stones, okay? This in English is stone. It's very, very small. It's stones, and you have the sand. The sand, the stones, the trees, the rivers, the seas. Sea, it's nature. It's nature in English. Everything that you can see, the cloud is nature. The waterfall, the beautiful rainbow, the birds that flies in the sky, it's nature. The insect, it's nature. The flowers, The trees. It's nature. Okay? Now we're going to sing one more time and close. Can you remember? What can you see? What can you see? I can see the trees. I can see the sun. I can see the moon. I can see the rock and the grass and the grass. Okay? See you again tomorrow. I will come again for another online class. Bye.